I got a package. Express priority mail. And it's from Japan. Let's check it out. Oh, damn. This is good. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. This is a nice gift. Woo! Yep, you guessed it right. It's Asia Challenge 2020 Avante mk.II. What up, guys? It's your boy Shoutouts from CTUSA Mini4wd Drive Racing Squad, and I'm a teacher here in Noobworx. And before I start my video, I want to shout out to Yo Clothing. If you guys are into Filipino 90s themed clothing line, Yo Clothing, I got the link in the description below. If you guys like this shirt, especially this one is a good nostalgic vibe on it. You see that? The Coaching Cuba, we call it the Coaching Cuba in the Philippines. Yo Clothing. If you're interested with that, I got the link in the description below. And also, I want to say shout out to High Speed Matrixx oil, and also high speed Matrixx power cleaner. All right, it's available with this bottle, and of course my favorite, my little tiny bottle over here. Again, shout out high speed Matrixx oil and Matrixx power cleaner for your motors, for your mini 4-wheel drive. And also I want to say shout out to BlackTuners. Shout out BlackTuners. Shout out. Thank you for sending us some goodies. You see it on the start of the video. Also, I want to shout out to JBSB, JV Avenido, Boy Rat Rat, DM Noobworx. Alright, so let's get into the video. Today we are going to have a unboxing, or you call that overview or review of the Avante Marc.II Asia Challenge 2020 special. All right, again, thank you BlackTuners for sending this to us. So this kit is released at Taiwan because the finals will be in Taiwan. The Asia Challenge is always hosted by an Asian country, and this year it will be hosted by Taiwan in the finals. As you can see, it's very nice accent over here. And then at the other side of the box, you will see it's still made from my motherland, which is the Philippines. So let's open the box, and these are all the good goodies that we're gonna go through. All right, so the Asia Challenge 2020 special Avante mk.II is equipped by an MSL chassis, which is very good, but in my opinion, they could have done better because it is only made by an ABS plastic. The MSL chassis is good to begin with because it's an MS chassis light, but I think they could have done better by using a reinforced one, but they decided to do this with an ABS plastic, ABS Racing navy blue. And if you take a look at the T1 unit and the NO2 unit, it's also navy blue, and it's also ABS Racing plastic. Again, they should have done better, make it a reinforced one to make it more durable, but this will do the job done because it's MSL. All right, and also the navy blue color is very nice because the N2 and the T1 unit is match the middle part of the chassis. All right, so the A parts would be white, and as you can see, these are all white with the lock, battery lock, gear cover. Even the gear bushings and the wheel bushings are white. So there are two-tone. They try to make it two-tone, which is very nice. But again, I wish they did a reinforced one. They can do better. All right, so the next part would be the wheels. It's also equipped with a white fin type wheels, which is not your traditional MS chassis wheel. So this one is a small dia fin type wheel, white. And it's also a plastic mold. And then if you take a look over here, That's where you look at it. It's all plastic and it's white, so it's very good accent to the navy blue. So it compromised the navy blue, but it's fin type, so it's closer to the body, and it's kind of like sacrificing a little bit for its stability, but it will be fast in acceleration. All right, and also it's also equipped by a low friction, small dia, low profile tire, maroon with a lettering. So the value of this will be a little bit higher to a regular maroon low friction tire because there's a Mini 4-wheel drive Asia Challenge Taiwan print on it. But it's a low friction, small diameter, low profile tire, which is more closer to the body, and also it's low profile, so the center of gravity is very low. Obviously it's a super hard, and it's very, very hard, so you will have less bounce, but you're also sacrificing your grip because it's not a regular grippy tire, it's a low friction tire, which is good for cornering. The internals for this kit is pretty standard. As you can see, it's the MS chassis gear shafts right there. You got your washers, your traditional roller screws, and also the eyelets for the traditional MS chassis bushing, the metal eyelets. And also it's a standard copper terminals, which is, I think it's better than the gold ones anyway. Also you have your standard grease, which is on a plastic container, and also the gear ratio is 3:1, so it's good. It's a high super speed gear ratio, 3:1. And also you have your purple, some people call it pink pinion gear, which is I like better than the carbon one because the carbon get bored out through racing. And also you have your polyoxymethylene white 16mm lightweight rollers. You also have your 60mm stainless steel metal shafts, so that's pretty standard, 60mm right there. And it's also equipped by a 130 double shaft stock motor, white Enbel. So it's not blue, it's your standard white Enbel double shaft motor, which is the SMC motor. So it's also not a Mabuchi motor, it's an SMC motor, so you can use this for box stock races. 130, gotta make sure it's legal to race. All right, so the body is a polycarbonate body, which is Avante mk.II, the one that was released in 2007, so it's pretty standard too. It's a polycarbonate body mk.II that you can use for open class, modified tune class, and if you also decided to use it for T-Max stock or tune class, you have your locks over here. So this is a very good kit, and hope you guys like it, and hopefully I give you all the details that you need to know about this Avante mk.II. And let's take a final look. It's beautiful. As you can see, it's very slick. I like the colorway, and it's a good buy. All in all, the collectability value of this kit is very, very good. So it's high because it's an Asia Challenge 2020 special. So they will not release this kit anymore. And also the parts that comes with it, it's MSL, the polycarbonate body, the fin type wheels, the super hard low friction maroon tires, also with lettering. That's a high value collectability value. And also it's an MS chassis with the oxymethylene, polyoxymethylene rollers, which is low friction rollers, which is good for T-Max stock, which is the Tamiya Asia Challenge stock that is like started in the Philippines. And this, all in all, this kit is a good buy because every part is not wasted, and I think I can use this for box stock too in certain track layouts. But you can basically use this in any category, or unless you're doing technical category, or those like Mini 4-wheel drive sport thing that you would drag it with a hockey stick. I guess you can't use this, or unless you do something about it. But all in all, this is a good buy. I will recommend it for every category, and there's no like part wasted on this chassis. And also the colorway is really good, and it's limited edition. So again, this is Shell Shock from City USA Mini 4-wheel drive racing squad, and I'm a teacher here in Noobworx. Again, thank you BlackTuners for sending this to us. Thank you so much. As I always say, we learn from you, you learn from us. Always race humble. Peace.